Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can make your video pixelated in CapCut. Alright guys, here I have opened my CapCut application and I have imported my video to CapCut. And if you want to make your video pixelated, you can apply effect to your video. You can click on effect option right here, and after that you can click on video effect and just search for mosaic effect. So you can search right here on the search option, then search for mosaic, this one, and there will be some options for you guys. And to make your video pixelated, you can choose this one or also this one, pixel art, and I'm just gonna select this one. And you can also adjust the effect. You can click on adjust button right here, then you can make the pixel bigger by going right. You can drag the circle to the right like this to make it bigger, but if you want to make the pixel smaller, you can go left like this. Okay, and after you're done, you can go back to your edit. I'm just gonna go back to my edit, so click on back button. Okay, and we can click on this check mark right here. Then you can make the effect align with your video. You can tap on the effect like this, then you can drag it to the right. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the result, guys. So I'm gonna play the video. Okay, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can make our video pixelated in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.